Hello, my friend. My name is Hossein Mardani, and I'm here to show you a sample exam from the beginner lesson. So, here we have a sorting number problem and ask us to sort these numbers from smallest to biggest. The numbers are written as below: 2, 4, 1, 7, 0 and 9, and ask us to sort them from the smallest to the biggest number. So first of all, let's write these number again: 2, 4, 1, 7, 0 and 9. First of all, we should consider the first number and compensate this number to another number and give the small number in our mind. So let's begin from 2 and 4. 2 is small than 4. So we have 2 in my mind. So by compensating number 2 of number 1, we have number 1 as a small number. And by considering the number 1 and compensate that to number 7, we have consider number 1 as a smaller number. And then by compensating number 1 to number 0, we have 0 as smaller number. And finally, by compensating number 0 to 9, we have number 0 as the smallest number. So we write number 0 to the left side of our surface. Then we write dash sign and then continue the next level. And for simplest method, we can write a line onto 0 number and continue the next level. In the next level, we have the sort method as previous level. We can consider number 2 and compensate that with number 4. And we have number 2 as a smaller number. Then by compensating number 2 to number 1, we have number 1 as a smaller number. And again, by next compensating, we have number 1 as a smaller number. And finally, by this compensating, we have number 1 as the smallest number in the level. So again, we write number 1 and continue by drawing a line on the number 1. In the next level, we again compensating these two numbers and we have number 2 as a smaller number. Then again, we have number 2 and 7 and the smaller number is number 2. So at this level, we have number 2 as a smaller number and again, we draw a line onto number 2. We can continue this method for 3 remaining numbers. We have number 4, number 7 and number 9 in this level. So we have less compensating method for final levels. By compensating this number, we can get number 4 as a smaller number. And then we have number 7 and number 9. So we can write number 7 as next smaller number. And finally, we have number 9 as only remaining number. So this number is biggest number in our all numbers. So then we write number 9 as biggest number. So as you can see, we have we have drawn a line on all our number. So the sorting number has prepared as below: 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, and 9. And finally we can solve our problem.